Hey everyone! Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Are you facing issues during inventory adjustments in Odoo where unscanned products stay unchanged? As you know, the Barcode app handles inventory adjustments differently compared to the Inventory app. When you scan a location and only a few SKUs using the Barcode app, it only adjusts the inventory for the scanned SKUs during validation, while leaving the unscanned SKUs unchanged. This can cause discrepancies in your stock levels, right? Well, we have a solution for you. Out Unscanned Products Odoo module. This feature automatically sets any unscanned products to 0 during an inventory adjustment, helping you maintain accurate stock levels. Let's get started. Once you have installed the module, go to Settings and select Inventory, and enable the Out Unscanned Products and Inventory Adjustment option in the Barcode section. With this, also ensure that Storage Locations is enabled under the Warehouse section in your inventory settings. After configuring, save this. Now again go to Inventory, click on Conjugation and under it click Locations. Here select the location. You can see these are the child locations. Now go to Current Stocks. Here you can see that there are 2 products in this location. Now let's see in the Barcode app. Here click on the Inventory Adjustment. Now you have to select the Barcode location. You can enter the barcode manually, using the button on the right-hand side. Let's enter one barcode and click on Apply. Here you can see our location shown here for the barcode. Now take the barcode of the product that you want to scan. Now repeat the process again, enter the barcode manually. Enter the barcode manually and click Apply. Now here you can change the quantity of product. Let's change the quantity of the test product. Note that we are not changing the quantity for other product cable management. Now just click on Apply and Inventory Adjustment for the test is done. Now let's move to current stock and see. As you can see, cable management has no on-hand quantity and the test product has 10 quantities. Ensure that this will only work when this module feature is enabled and the location is set to child location. That's it. This is how this module works. I hope you find this feature useful. Thank you.